love that it's four-wheel drive.
Nice.
I love how when I tip it over, its wheels steer the other way. That's awesome.
There you go. Bus just pulled up right there. Oh, there he is.
Daddy, did it come?
Yeah.
Go, drive. Did you charge it?
Uh-huh. All charged up.
How many batteries did it come with?
One, but I bought an extra one, and they're both charged.
Awesome. Did it come with two chargers or just one?
Just one, and they're the dumb ones that you got to plug into a car, so I'm going to have to get you something for that. But I brought a jump box for now.
Daddy, hurry, go.
Come on, come on.
I gotta wrap this up.
Come on.
Is it brushless too?
Yeah.
With one battery it goes 30?
Yeah.
And then 50 with two?
Uh-huh. I already opened it. to
Yeah, I
charge the
know.
batteries.
You put everything back in though, right?
Uh-huh. Here it is, kids. The old Revo VXL.
Oh God. Oh my God, look at how small the little tires are.
It's not like the big Revo.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be huge. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, wait, Daddy, that's the wrong color.
I know.
That's okay. I still like it.
I
I'm not
figured you
returning
wouldn't
it.
mind. Yeah.
I don't care.
I know. I tried to get the blue one, but they ended up sending the silver.
I don't care. The
Close
silver.
enough.
Well, in person, the silver doesn't actually look that
It's
bad.
not bad. No, it only came with one battery. you
Scared
guys,
to
but
actually
I bought an
scratch
extra
it.
battery already.
This is my first brand new RC.
Is it? No.
Yeah.
This one was brand new when you got it. You don't
Oh.
remember? This is the gear.
The Grave
so
Digger is still classic.
if
and
you run
cool.
2 batteries, you put this gear on it to make it go 50. 'Cause
What?
that's the high gear. That's the high speed gear.
What if you just put one on and put the high gear on?
Then it won't be fast enough. I mean, it won't have enough power to
Achilles.
make it go like that.
Oh my
All right,
gosh.
let's get these clips
This
out.
one won't open. This is the worst thing about E-Revos.
That's right.
Trying to
battery
get the
tray.
batteries out.
They do
My
suck.
dad's batteries got like real thick and fat, and that made them swell up so you can never put them in or take them out. Where's this?
Yeah,
How do you
it
get the
sucks.
wires in? The wires are also hard to get in. You can break the wires if you don't put them in right.
The controller's in here.
This one I actually have to dig in it to get it out. What if there's not batteries for it?
All right, I was thinking about that on the way here. All right, you need 4 AA's since they did not come with it. Okay, while he's getting batteries, we'll take a look at the car. It's got a tiny little brushless. Now I have a full-size Revo that I'm used to seeing. This thing is tiny. Definitely has a smaller motor, of course. Little tiny battery packs to fit. Doesn't look like it came with. Oh, he already crimped the wires in there. Doesn't look like it came with the stuff to run 2 batteries. I don't see the extra
Doesn't come
clip.
with it?
Well, it should have a clip to connect 2 batteries. Is
Here's
it in
the
there?
charger.
Yeah.
We didn't take everything out. There's nothing in it.
Huh. So we'll have to buy the clip if you ever want to make it run on 2 batteries.
Yeah, that's
But you shouldn't do that because it'll be way too
Yeah.
fast.
They're hard to keep in here. That's one of the things I hate. The old ones didn't do this.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. This is such a pain. Okay, now it worked. Let's see if it...
Did it light up?
Uh-huh.
No, you turn your controller on first.
Yeah. And then how do you...
So you're
It
good.
won't go.
Okay, don't touch nothing yet.
It'll steer. It won't go.
Try it now. Okay. I think it is supposed to be red. That's a good.
It's four-wheel drive. Oh, it shakes in my hand. Daddy, hurry.
I'm hurrying. I'm hurrying.
Can't take it much longer.
There it is. You want to wreck it now or what?
Yeah.
Wreck it, Ralph.
Oh God. It does have brakes. Oh my god.
Don't go wrecking it right away.
It still is four-wheel drive, but it'll still do wheelies. In the grass.
Wrecked it already.
First,
I'm gonna grab the other camera now.
let's try wheeling. Easy.
Pretty fast for just one little NiChat battery.
Okay. I want to do speed test. Okay, that might break.
No. Nice front flip.
I braked it in front. That's what I like about E-Revo. They have them brakes. It saves so much gas.
Well, the brakes work really good because it's four-wheel drive.
I don't think it'll do wheelies on this road with only one battery. It's sticking. It's like your Porsche when you try to drift it. The four-wheel drive one in the grass is kind of does a little.
Right now, we haven't adjusted anything, but I think we should adjust the springs a little tighter. So it runs pretty good right out of the box, huh?
Uh-huh.
The only thing is Cameron's going to want to jump it, and that means we should probably stiffen the springs up, at least in the front, and they're real easy to adjust right here.
That's all you do?
That should make it sit a little higher. That'll put a little more pressure on that so it doesn't bottom out as easy. So we got to turn this one up too to match it. And that's just putting more pressure on the springs. And I don't know, I don't want to blow the shocks out.
Yeah.
So I think we should tighten these up a good bit.
You gonna
Now
do
the only
backs?
thing is it won't handle as good because it's going to sit a little higher.
So we'll loosen them back up later?
Yeah. Now see, it'll land a lot softer the way it is now. They've already got more preload on the back. You see how far they're already turned? Compared,
Hold on.
can you see it now?
I'm zooming in.
Back here? Compared to how the
Yeah.
front ones were.
Hold on. It's too blurry. Okay.
Let's stiffen the rears up just a little bit more too, just to be safe. Now it's going to roll a little easier. It's not going to handle as good. Alright. Might be a little bouncy now. Let's try it. See how it
Here,
handles.
take it.
Okay.
Ready? It does look like it sits higher. You see that half backflip?
Uh-huh.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
You have to put that in slow-mo. It's upside down in the air.
Half backflip is no good. You want either no backflip or a whole one. You're gonna have to leave off the throttle a little bit after you're in the air. There you go.
Like that, I did that.
Perfect.
Look at that squirrel.
Let me film the squirrel. He got a nut in his mouth.
What?
Squirrel's got a nut in his mouth.
Okay, so what we're doing here is this parking space thingy. We're gonna see if we can crawl over it.
Oh yeah, that's right there. Not bad. Here, do this one again. I'm filming it closer.
Oh, did you get that?
Uh-huh. Don't hit it too hard. Yeah. You want to come up to it slow and then hit it. Hey, you should backflip not from that way, from this way so you can land in the grass. Try backflip off. You know how to do the
Just
backflip?
hit the gas as hard as you can.
Go up to it real slow and then
jam.
hammer it. Yeah, but right when you're about to land, leave off. Oh,
my
sick.
gosh,
First try.
Get back.
Yeah. Whoa, sick!
You see me? I landed it on the thing.
Yeah.
Can't do too much reverse, it'll stop.
What? What do you think of it so far?
Pretty good. Look at it. Drifting.
Nice, drifting it. Here, slide right past me, son. Ooh. Now I must say, personally, as Cameron's father speaking, my biggest gripe with these cars is that you don't get a 110 volt charger that you could just plug into the wall. You only get a car charger like that plugs into a cigarette lighter, power outlet, whatever you want to call it. Which really sucks. So for me to drop this off for Cameron at his mom's house, I got to give him my jump box for now so he can plug it in right there, you know. Traxxas sells an adapter for it, but it's 25 bucks, which I'm sure we can get something cheaper that'll do the same exact thing. So we're gonna switch batteries now. I'm pretty impressed with the battery life, you know?
Yeah, that was about 20 minutes maybe.
There's a tube channel, you guys. There's Achilles. Here's what I was talking about. See, here's the plug to charge. That's the only thing it comes with. Does not come with a wall charger. Kind of cheaping out there on us Traxxas. So you plug that in and then we can plug the battery in here.
The motor is cold.
Okay, you want to do a follow-up for your video? Just talk about how impressed you are with the car, or unimpressed, or good and bad things about it?
I love it. My dad didn't get me the color I wanted, but I'm gonna still go with it. And I love that it's four-wheel drive, and I love how when I tip it over, the wheels steer the other way.
That's the TSM.
That's awesome.
That is pretty cool. It
And
really
then
helps it keep going.
The
in a straight line.
dislikes are
The battery compartment.
don't leave your camera over there.
Ooh, thanks.
The battery compartment
Stay here.
and that
Stay here.
stupid battery.
Stay here. You're doing an interview right now.
Yeah, I know.
You got to keep a hold of that car for your interview. You got to show it.
Need to.
Okay. Keep talking then.
So it did good with the ramps and them backflips. That first try on a backflip, that was the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I really liked it. Like, that was awesome how it just did a backflip off of one of these. And thank you, Daddy, for getting me it.
Oh, you're welcome. That's my pleasure. I kind of wanted it anyway. I want one for myself.